In this video, I'm just going to show you how you can create a Gmail account without the use of a phone number. Please do not miss any step, because if you do, you won't be able to create it. So you go to your Gmail now, and then you click on add account. So from add account, you come down to Google, click on Google, and then from Google, it's going to do some security check to show that you're the actual person trying to log in with your phone. So it's checking now. Let's wait a little bit. So after checking, it's gonna ask you if you want to sign in or you want to create. So just create and create for personal use. So you can put in your first name, you can just put whatever name you want to put in there. So me, I'll add email tutorial. That's what I'll add there. All right, you click next, and then you can just pick a random date of birth, or you can use your own. So I was January 1st 1991, gender rather not to say. You click on next, and you're doing this with your phone. All right, with your phone, it's easy using your phone. So I will just create an email now. So let's just put the email we want to create. All right, this one has been used, so let me add another one. Email tutorials. Let's see. This one has been used also, so let's pick another one. Let's say email tutorial. Let's say email tutorial talk. I don't want to choose one of these. Let's just create it afresh. Like creating it afresh. Okay, email tutorial talk, right? I think this will be open. All right, so it's time now to add the password. So you can just set up your password, whatever password you want to use, set it up. So I'm just going to cover this place for privacy sake, so you can see the password. All right, and then after then you click next. As you can see, the email has been created without the use of a phone number. So let's go and see if truly it's there. So just click on agree. It's going to load and take you back to where you can just sign in. Sorry, where you can check if the email has been created. All right, still going to check again. It's checking now. All right, so you click on where you can see all your emails log into this phone. All right, just scroll down. As you can see, this is the email talk tutorial, right? So we have it here. Let's just check the inbox, and it's there. All right, this is simple, and then I believe you can do it also. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye.